dear Aries, welcome back to my channel, and this is your new moon reading for May 11th 2021. Let's begin shuffling. This deck here, this one right here, contains garden messages for you guys. So I have already done a few videos, you can refer to that. These decks contains powerful affirmations that you need to do before the new moon, on the new moon, and a few days till after the new moon, because the effect is still there, so that if in any case there is a problem that you're facing, or anything, any feeling, any indigestion problems, any love problems, any wealth problems, you can get through them quite easily with the help of these messages. So let's begin shuffling. This is for Aries new moon. Okay, no, I won't take that. I'm going to select two random cards. Maybe I select this one, which is hidden. Okay, I'll select this one, which is hidden here. All right. I think Aries, in this month you are feeling a lack of something, a lack of wealth, a lack of money. Some of you might be going through financial crisis because of the pandemic, and because of that you are feeling very overwhelmed and very stressed out, and that's why these two angels have come into your reading, which is the angel of health, wealth and happiness, and the angel of emotional balance. So let's see what it has to say. So the angel of health, wealth and happiness is asking you, how is your health? Maybe you're not taking care of health. Maybe you guys are suffering from COVID, unfortunately, if some of you are, or just generally stressing about what's going on around you. I think that's also a great possibility. A lot of us are stressing about it, and unnecessarily we are lowering down our immunities like that. Also, this is asking you what's going on for you financially. So this is the angel of health, wealth and happiness all in one, asking about your health, asking about what's happening for you financially. It's saying take the necessary steps to improve your well-being. Eat healthy or eat health promoting foods and incorporate exercise into your daily life. You have good fortune and live a charmed life. Okay, so there's nothing, it says that there's nothing wrong with you which is happening right now. It's just that you need to start eating healthy, start taking care of your health, exercise, work out, drink lots of water, stuff like that. The positive affirmation that it has for you is, I am healthy, prosperous and happy. I am grateful for and enjoy all of the gifts that come into my life. All is well and I'm joyous and live a good life and life is good. I have gratitude. So definitely, I think if you fall in the category where you have everything, Aries, I think there's a lack of gratitude from your side, and that is what the angel is asking you. These are the questions that the angel is asking you. These are the affirmations and the angel need you to make. Have gratitude in your life, Aries. Have gratitude, because you already have enough, and in case your health is slightly haywire, then these are the things that you need to do. The angel of emotional balance. Are your emotions in turmoil? Are you feeling uneasy? Spend time at the water's edge to regain emotional balance. Clear away any negative energy you may have accumulated from unsettling conversations or negative internal dialogue. Like I said, even if everything is fine with you, even if you are healthy, there's so much happening around you that can make us feel, like it said, negative internal dialogue, that oh my god, what's happening, that oh my god, everything is bad, the situation is bad, we are all going to die, and blah 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 shit that we have been telling ourselves. Please, I think I request you, all of my viewers, to stay away from the news as much as possible and take care of your mental health, because this is an angel of emotional balance. Definitely, Aries, you guys are taking a lot of stress. Even if you're not unwell as such, then also you're taking a lot of stress according to what is happening around you, watching a lot of news. I'm sure you must be hearing about a lot of your distant relatives or friends or people dying around you and stuff like that. But you know, you need to stop having that dialogue in your head that we all are going to die, or this is never going to improve, our life is never going to get better, because it says that you have accumulated a lot of negative energy inside you, and that's how you might be feeling uneasy. That's how the health guardian angel has come into picture. You know, not just health, wealth, it's also happiness. Of course, if you're thinking negatively about everything around you, maybe some of you are into your job, or loss of job can occur for some of you, and that's how it's making you feel that way. But for the other of you who still have their job, are still unhappy about it, you know, in some way or the other. So be grateful, be glad that if you guys are unwell, please do exercise, please take care of your health like the angel is asking you to. The other of you who are absolutely fine and just taking emotional stress right now, then please listen to your angel. The positive affirmation is, I am able to identify my feelings and resolve unsettling emotions. Negativity flows away effortlessly and lovingly. My emotional body is awash with positive energy. I enjoy a sense of balance. Safe travel over or on water is a certainty. Right? Maybe some of you are planning to travel for a very long time, maybe to a beach place, and not being able to, and that's why this is also telling you that that will also happen. Have patience, that will also happen. It's also asking you to spend time around water. So if you live around water, well and good. If you don't, then you can always keep a bowl of water with fresh flowers in it and sit by its side, you know, read a book by its side. It will calm you down, of course, because obviously you can't step out. So that is what your reading was for the new moon of May 11th, and I will see you soon. So till then, take care. Bye bye.